So I have printed out my my polyhedron, and I'm going to cut it out and make the shape as fast as possible. Here we go. What I've done is I have cut out the shape, being careful to leave these little tabs here to glue things on. It took me about 10 minutes total, and then I folded each of these joints just exactly as it was when it was in the polyhedron shape. And now I've got a little bit of glue, just this is like a wood glue, but Elmer's glue will work. You can use glue stick as well, but with a little bit of glue there on something that you can clean off later. What I'm going to do is put like a little touch of glue on each of these tabs and then spread it out so that it's just really, really thin. Then, since it's paper and it's quite dry, when I hold it here just for a few seconds, you can see that it's going to create a nice clean joint like that. So again, over here on this side, there's that little tab. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of glue, spread it out so that it's nice and thin, and then hold it for a few seconds right here. And by doing that carefully and then going around, I'll be able to assemble this thing. So I think I'm going to do this top right here and do one side and then work around and do the other side. And it may seem like it's a big job, and this one is a complicated one. It will go fairly quickly though, and it'll give you good results. It's possible to do half and then glue two halves together later. Okay, I'm going to bend that back so I can get in here, do this one and do that one. And then I'll do that one up there, that one down there. Okay, so there it's coming together. Okay, so now I've glued this around as much as I can, and I've got these last few tabs to do. What I'm going to use is a paper clip like this. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the end of the paper clip, and I'm just going to put it on these final tabs. I might be able to do a couple at a time, but get the tabs with a little bit of glue like before, but then as I tuck them inside, what I'm going to do is use this paper clip to then hold from inside, just hold it against the edge like this. You can't really see it, but what I'm doing is I'm holding it against the side like that, and that'll be enough to let it glue up. And it's delicate, but with a little patience you get it to work. If you need to have me help you, I suppose I could. You could bring it in this stage and we can do it like that. But you can see with those last ones glued together, I will then have my shape like this. There we go.